Hello everyone. Today I'm going to describe and demonstrate my Bitcoin wallet application, which is written entirely in Rust. You can find the full source code in the description below. Let's start by running the program. And when you execute it, the first function that gets called is run interactive mode. Let's follow these functions. As you can see here, this function checks whether a wallet file already exists. A wallet is essential because it allows you to send and receive Bitcoin. So the program must have a wallet to work with. If no wallet file is found, the program gives you two options. Create a new wallet and import an existing wallet with a mnemonic phrase. Let's start with creating wallet. Bitcoin wallets and many other blockchain wallets as well use mnemonic words. As you can see here, we use BIP39 standard library to generate mnemonic phrase. It's kind of a master key of the wallet. These mnemonic words allow you to restore your wallet or generate your addresses. And also, it gives you a private key and public keys, things like that. So you must keep them secure and never expose them. And of course, for this demonstration, it's okay to show them. When we create a wallet, the program automatically generates the mnemonic words for us. Now let's move on to how it generates addresses. Let's go to this function. This is quite simple functions that generates addresses. Using combination of mnemonic words and index, the wallet can generate as many deterministic addresses as we need. This means that if you later import the same mnemonic words and use the same indexes, the wallet will produces the exact same addresses. Um, the one more thing that you should know is gap limit feature. Um, this is quite simple feature that prevents the wallet from generating unlimited unused addresses. It checks whether each generated wallet address has been used or not, which means is that if it encounter 20 unused addresses in a row, it stops generating more. This is an efficient method that's used by many other wallets as well. So this is done for creating a wallet. Then let's go to importing existing wallet. But as I described earlier, um, it only requires a mnemonic word. So it's asked the user to enter mnemonic words, and then it generates addresses as I described earlier. So now it's time to demonstrate how it works behind the scene. Let's open the terminal and then run this program. First, we need to delete wallet file. So let's make the backup for wallet file. Now there's no wallet file exist. So we can um, run this program. Now, as you can see here, it shows that no wallet file found. So I will choose create a new wallet, then confirm this. It's now generating an addresses, and I should keep this mnemonic words, right? So here I should keep the mnemonic word here, and then as you can see here, it uses gap limit feature and have the 20 addresses. But my program only shows 5 addresses for the simpler to use. Now let's keep these addresses. And then now we can how to say remove the wallet file and then importing an existing wallet. So we need to remove the wallet file. Now let's run the program again. Let's choose importing an existing wallet with a mnemonic phrase. Now we can copy the mnemonic words here, and then I enter. Then it generates addresses using the mnemonic words. As I said before, it's deterministic, so the addresses should be same as this, right? So you can check that the addresses are the same, right? So this is how Bitcoin wallet works behind the scenes, creating and importing. And also other blockchains wallets works as similar as this. Today is done for demonstrating the creating and importing wallet. Next time, I will describe and demonstrate how transaction works. And see you next time.